Wrap a string around any circle, a coin, a planet, a dinner plate. Then, measure straight across it. The way around is always a little more than 3 times the way across. Always. Not roughly, not sometimes. For every circle that has ever existed, the same stubborn number. We call it pi. And by the end of this, you won't just know pi is 3.14. You'll see why it could never have been anything else. Here's the thing almost no one says out loud. Pi isn't a property of a circle. It's the exchange rate between 2 ways of measuring any circle. Walk around the edge, that's the circumference. Cut straight through the middle, that's the diameter. Pi is simply how many diameters it takes to wrap all the way around. Every circle, big or small, trades at the exact same rate, pi to 1. That's not a fact about geometry. It's a fact about what circle means. But pi shows up somewhere stranger. The area. Watch. Slice the circle into thin wedges, like a pizza. Now, line them up, tip down, tip up, and they snap into something almost rectangular. The more slices, the straighter the edges, until it is a rectangle. And look at its sides. The height is the radius. The width is half the way around, half the circumference. Multiply them, and the area falls out. Pi times the radius squared. The circle didn't lose anything. We just unrolled it into a shape we already understood. Notice what just happened. Pi set the rate for the edge, the circumference, and the very same pi set the size of the inside, the area. One number doing 2 jobs because both come from the same circle. That's the quiet elegance of it. Measure around or measure within. Pi is already waiting in both answers. So, pi was never really 3.14. That's just the shadow it casts in our number system. It's the unchanging price of being round. The same for a coin, a planet, and every circle yet to be drawn. 25 centuries of mathematics, and it still feels like a small miracle. No more excuses. See you at the next theorem.